Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make the best homemade chocolate chip buns. That's very easy to make. To my bowl, I'm adding in a milk because we're going to activate the yeast before using it. I'll then add in sugar, dry active yeast. Stir together till well combined. Cover it with a clean film and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. To my bowl, I'll add in flour. To the flour, I'll add in powdered milk, sugar. I'll then mix together till well combined. Once everything is well combined, create a well in the middle. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. The egg goes in as well. Vanilla extract, you can use any flavor of your choice. Add in the yeast mixture. The last ingredient going in is salt. Mix till well combined. So guys, I don't have gloves at the moment, please. Mix until it has formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, transfer it on your wet surface, but first sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface. Transfer the dough on it. Add in the rest of the flour and knead it from 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's well combined, go ahead and add in the softened butter. The dough will be sticky, but don't worry, because at the end I'll add in the last batch of the flour. Add in the last batch of the flour and knead for at least 5 minutes. So guys, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a soft, sticky dough like this. And transfer it in your bowl. Cover it with a clean film. Make sure it's covered well. And let it sit until it has doubled in size. So guys, once the dough has doubled in size, take off the clean film and add in the chocolate chips. So mix till well combined. This is what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Divide it into smaller pieces, around 60 to 70 grams each, and roll it in a ball shape. So like this, and then roll it in a ball shape. And that's what you're looking for when done. Okay. Cover it with a clean film and let it double in size before baking. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and brush on top with an egg wash and bake these bad boys at 175 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, just look at it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.